P0123 code diagnosis. When your car has any problem, please connect your car to any scanner. Throttle position sensor, signal to high. What does error code P0123 means? The P0123 trouble code indicates that the engine control module, ECM or Powertrain Control Module, PCM detected high output voltage from the throttle position sensor. Possible symptoms: malfunction indicator light on, hesitation under acceleration, erratic idle, engine stalls, decreased fuel economy, EPC light on, in the idle mode, RPM increase. Note: the symptoms are determined by the manufacturer. Different may vary between manufacturers and vehicles. Possible causes: damaged wiring or loose connection, malfunctioning throttle position sensor, faulty accelerator pedal position sensor, dirty or bad throttle body, PCM needs update, malfunctioning ECM, PCM, fuse S faulty, improperly aligned or loose DPS. How serious is the P0123 code? There's an increased chance that the vehicle will go into limp mode. If you were driving in a lot of traffic, the erratic behavior of the vehicle could cause an accident. P0123 code cause stalling in the most severe of cases, especially when stopped in traffic at a light or intersection. How to diagnose? Step 1. Use your OBD scanner to see what other codes are present. You can use the freeze frame data to check conditions. Step 2. Visually inspect all of the connections and wiring to see if anything is damaged. If you notice anything loose or broken, repair or replace it. Step 3. In rare cases, there could be an obstruction to the accelerator pedal, causing the faulty reading. Make sure your floor mats aren't changing the angle of the pedal. Step 4. Clean the throttle body to get rid of the carbon. Make sure you use a cleaner designed for this purpose. Step 5. Compare data between the A and B TPS circuits. With your scan tool, reference the readings with your manufacturer specs in the service manual. Step 6. Fixing all the problems, then need to use a scanner to clear all fault codes and retest the vehicle to see if the code comes back. If the fault code comes back, then please check again all conditions or contact a professional in the automotive industry. How to fix? Possible solutions. Check wiring and connector S from throttle position sensor. Check fuse S. Replace the accelerator pedal position sensor. Clean. Replace the throttle body. Update PCM. Replace the throttle position sensor. After replacing the throttle position sensor, you must use any scan tool to perform the throttle body relay function in order to calibrate TPS. Please see the next video to know how to perform the throttle body relay function. Approx repair cost. Repair wiring or loose connection, $50 to $550. Replace throttle position sensor, $100 to $350. Replace accelerator pedal position sensor, $75 to $550. Clean. Replace throttle body, $100 to $650. Update PCM, $50 to $250. These prices will vary based on the type of vehicle you drive and will be cheaper if you can perform the work yourself. For example, to tighten up a loose connection may not cost you anything. If this video is useful to you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.